In the Emirates ATP Rankings, Andy Murray remains at number 1, with Rafael Nadal up to 2nd. Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka stays in 3rd. Novak Djokovic is in 4th. In 5th, it's Roger Federer, followed by Milos Raonic. Just below him is Marin Cilic in 7th, with Austria's Dominic Thiem in 8th place. In the Emirates ATP doubles rankings, Kubot and Melo are in top spot, ahead of Continent and Piers in 2nd. Then come Stuttgart champions Murray and Suarez. In 4th, it's the Bryan brothers. Dodig and Cranolas are 5th, with French Open champions Harrison and Venus 6th. Cabal and Farah are 7th, ahead of the French pair, Herbert and Mahut.